Hey y'all, what is up? What is good? It is your girl Chènae, and I'm back again after a whole month with a brand new video on this African inspired look. So you guys know what to do. Keep on watching. So starting off as always, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Sand, and I'm placing this all over my eyelid. This is going to act as my eyeshadow base to help my colors last all day and appear bright and bold and keep them from creasing. So I'm just going ahead and put that all over my eye. Now I'm adding tape so I can have that sharp cat eye effect and crisp edges. You guys know what I'm talking about. Now taking the color Soft Brown from MAC, I'm going to go ahead and place this into my crease, and this is going to act as my transition color to help all my other colors blend together just flawlessly. Now taking my NYX White Eyeshadow base, I'm going to go ahead and just carve out a section of where I want to place my eyeshadows. This white eyeshadow base is going to help my colors just pop and be, you know, very bold and vibrant. So I'm just carving that section out, and then I'm going to go ahead and just start filling in that area, prepping my eyelid, getting ready to apply my colorful shadows. Now here I'm taking this gorgeous red eyeshadow by Sugarpill called Love Plus. I'm just going to go ahead and place that in the inner corner of my eye. You guys see how pigmented that is? Y'all, that is dangerous. Now I'm taking the color Midori, which is the gorgeous green color by Sugarpill. I'm going to place that in the center portion of my eye. And guys, these eyeshadow pigments are life. Now I'm taking the color Bulletproof, which is a matte black color. I'm going to place that on the outer V portion of my eye, making sure that I'm using patting motions to build up to the perfect color payoff. Now taking my favorite stuff in the whole wide world, this is called the NYX Glitter Primer. I'm going to go ahead and start applying that to my eyelid section by section so I can go ahead and add glitter. Now if you guys been rocking for me a long time, you know that I love adding glitter to all my looks. So I'm using my MAC glitter. I went ahead and applied the MAC red glitter to the red portion of my eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and start prepping the green portion of my eye, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the MAC green glitter, and then I'm going to also do the same thing for the black as well, because I love to be all extra and glitterified and all that jazz. Now here I'm taking my NYX White Eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and just carve out a little small section at the top of my glitter just to add a little, you know, extra oomph to this look, you know, something different. Now you guys know I love to do a wing eyeliner with all my looks. So I'm taking my black matte liquid eyeliner by NYX as well. I'm going to go ahead and just draw my tail and then just finish out this wing eyeliner look, because I just love a wing liner, you guys. It's so dramatic and all that good stuff. I love it. Gotta have it. Now just to add a little extra to the look, I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Vivid Bright Yellow eyeliner and apply that right on top of the black just to add a little pop of color. Now here I'm just applying some falsies, because what is a look without the false eyelashes? I gotta have that to be banging and popping. You already know. So here I'm just applying my falsies. Now I'm going to go ahead and coat that with a couple of coats of mascara just to blend in my fake lashes with my real lashes. Now here I'm going to take my white eyeliner from NYX, and I'm just going to go ahead and just add, you know, a little white dots, just some little small white dots, because you know I'm feeling like Wakanda forever. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that on top of my brow to finish out this look, and just to be a little different but still cute at the same time. So I'm just doing all of that right now. Now moving on to these lips, I'm taking the color Bumble, which is a lip pencil by Colourpop. I'm going to go ahead and just outline my lips first. You guys know to outline my lips first. Now I'm going to take the color Platform, which is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks by them. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the center portion of my eye, then taking my finger and just blending that all over so my lipstick will blend in with my lip liner to equal a nice, beautiful color combination. yeah. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look, y'all. Once again, I love glitter, but y'all already knew that. If you like this look, definitely make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out, y'all. Y'all be easy.